Something much easier than usual. This is what we're going to do with the numbers. We're not going to count 0. 0 equals 6, but we need 2 zeros really to create anything, and I'm going to show you how this works. 147, multiply it by 3 becomes 3, 12, and 21. 21, 12 is 33, and 3 is 36. 3 and 12 is 15. Mars. 12 and 21 is 33. See, we either can do these two numbers or these two numbers, but I'm going to put them all together. The reason for that is configuration of the roulette wheel and the obligations. This design over here will only let you take a top and a lower or a left and a right, okay? So it's either as so, and we're going to have to look at the calculator. It's either 7, 8, 15 or 9, 8, 17. The total is 32. The total of the 3 is 24, 56. 5 and 4 is 9, 6 and 5, 11. The total is 15. 1 and 2 is 3, 3 and 2 is 5. 1 and 4 is 5, 7 and 4 is 11. 1 and 1 is 2. Earth. This says Earth. 4, 1, 4, 7 is Earth. 5 and 11 is 16. 16 plus 12 is 28, the cycle of Earth. 2, 5 is 7. 5, 8 is 13. 13 and 7 is 20. 0 equals 6 becomes 26, becomes the Z letter that connects everything. But what we're going to do is 8, 5, and 2 is 15. 2 and 5 is 7, is 22. And 13 is 35. Electric company, also known as energy source as Earth from Jupiter. 9 and 6 equals to 15. 3 and 6 equals to 9. 24, the letter X. FOX is the word we just spelt, Fox. 9 and 6, 15, and 9 is 24. 24 and 18 is 42. The reverse of 24, 4, 2, 2, 4. The half-life and diameter of life. 7, 8, and 9, 15, and 17 is 32. 32 plus 24 equals to 56. 9, 11 is 20, plus 15, 35, electric company. 1, 2, 3, and 5 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. Now this circles the moon on the cube, because this whole thing, no matter what I do with it, will always equal 14 and 7. 14 is the letter N. 7 is the letter G. 3 is the letter U. Nugget. N-U-G, nugget, gun, nugget. So whatever that is, I'm going to have to do that. Okay, my phone was buzzing from the lawnmowers outside. The energy was making my phone buzz. Well, take it as we... That was pretty weird. I'll have to just undo this phone. It's not ringing or anything, but I should keep it unplugged most of the time. Hold on a second. Let me put this down. Give me a second. There we go. So that's the basics of the calculator. What's surrounding the moon? 4, 8 is 12, and 6 is 18, and 2 is 20 that goes around. The numbers that are in between the moon, the diamond center square that is in between the moon, because you can't go on this angle, these are the angles. The diamond in between 4 and 8 is 6, between 2 and 4 is 4. Between 4 and 2 is 3, between 6 and 8 is 7, 3, 4, 7, 6. The diameter of the moon, 34, 76, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 20 equals to a 40. 20, 20 equals 40. Each 20 gets a 6 equals to 52. The number to Earth, 2 times 5, 2 plus 5 equals Earth again, 10 and 7. 96 rotation equals to 41. USA equals to 41. 25 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, 1 cent equals to 41. Minus 2 plus 1, A and B gets you to the gateway, 1 and 2. Second, we are equal to 96, 933. All zeros is an area space that's empty. Add 6 to all empty area spaces. We won't call it void. Actually, I can go 303 inside of this, or 030. 2 circles of the one spirit. The 1 connects all. 1, 3, and 5 will hold. 1, 3, and 5 will hold. 4 and 2. 4 and 2. 2 is here. Forget about the 1. It links. It brings on the light. 96 and 15 is 111. 35, 37, 39, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 on the roulette wheel equals to that number. That is the top floor of a tower of 110 stories. 110 to the top floor, and the roof would be the 111th. 2, 5, and 8, 6, 15, and 8, 6, 15, and 8, F-O-X. 105 is the hand of God. 6 and 6 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 6, 6, creation. 6, 3, 6, creation of the light. 12 and 6 is 24. The 9 lives of the cat. 3 and 6 equals to 15. This 3 equals to 9. 0, 9, because it's under 10, becomes 15, equals to 6. The last one, 3 times 3, 9, becomes 69. This is where 3 comes alive. 3 becomes alive right here. You notice it's 3. 1 and 5 is 6. 2 and 4 is 6. 3 and 3 is 6. 3 times 3, 3 times 6, 3 times 9. 6, 9, 18. Excuse me. Becomes 3 times 3 is 9. 3 by 6 is 18. 3 by 9 is 27. 2, 7, 9. 1, 8, 9. And 9 equals to 116. 1 is in the center of 6, and it is the only 7. The numerological count in regular numbers for 1 is 34. 3 and 4 is 7. The numerological count for SIX equals to 52. 5 and 2 is 7. It's the only one that creates 777. And here we go. 777. How do we do it? 1 and 6. You see the way it runs up to 5 and over to 6? Well, this one runs up to 5 and over to 4. So it crisscrosses the 2 hockey sticks at the Montreal Forum. 1 and 6 equals to 7. 1 equals to 34. 6 equals to 52. So this becomes the bow tie. 52, 1 line down here, 1 line over here, 1 line over here. The total to this one equals to the light. The total of everything is 317. 3 times 17 equals 51 Mars. 7 months of 31 days equals to 217. 217 equals 34 DC. This is the Queen, and this is the Queen of Mars. That's how it connects. 12, 15, and 18 equals to 45. 45 equals to the Sun, the hole in the Sun, and the Fox. Add up 1 to 9, it equals to 45. Add up 1 to 9, take away ABC, equals to 39. It is the Sky, Sky Fox. So whoever's watching us in the sky, Sky Fox. So now we see what happens to these numbers. So multiplying 3 by any of these will equal to 9. Multiply 3 by any of these will equal to 6. Multiply 3 by any of these will equal to 3. 3, 6, 9 is the only formation. Here is the hand of God. Here is the birth formation. This equals to 15 equals 6. This equals to 6 equals 6. And this equals is the only one that will equal to 8. 686. 686, a $500 bill and a $100 bill is 6. A $50 bill, a $20 bill, a $10 bill is 8. Then we have a 5 and a 1 equals to 6. 686. Let's collect our Monopoly money. You want to hear the vibration in the piano? Well, let's do it really easy. I have a $50 bill. I have a $20 bill. I have a $10 bill. Okay, that's 80. Okay, that's reception. Then we have a $5 bill, a $2 bill, and a $1 bill. That's your 88. Why do I use this? Because we don't have them anymore, but we did have them. You want to go down and understand that ace can be high or low. We have to go to the game of poker. And the game of poker has a $25 chip, a $5 chip, and a $1 chip. 31, and there is no more. There is no more. Raphael, 7286, in the constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.